So we are going to now talk about the next part of the reservation module, which is how to do a space reservation for a general reservation depositor. For this example, we have taken the depositor name as FCI General Test. We are going to do a general reservation on bag basis. The reservation period will be from 1st December to 31st March 2020. What we will do is we will make a bag basis reservation. Bag basis reservation is to be provided only for commodities where published tariff by CWC is available. Some of the examples of bag basis reservation products are like food grains like rice, wheat, pulses, bajra, your soya beans, groundnut pods. These are some of the food grains or food product related stuff where bag basis tariff is available. The important points which you need to remember is that the minimum period of storage is 1 month. You cannot have any reservation less than 1 month. 1 month storage charges is always payable in advance. So with this, we will go back to the screen in terms of to find out how to create the reservation. So we again go back to the same window or the same menu, which is space reservation. Click on general, click on reservation request. When you click on that, this particular screen will come. Now we click the new user is already selected. Go to the register as FCI and register. So what we do is we create a Food Corporation of India. The branch name is FCI dash FCI General Test. Okay, so that's how the username will be created, and then you put the company name, the concern name, and then you normally would be the area manager of the particular FCI area office. You put the user ID, sorry, the email ID. You put a mobile number 2345. Okay, and you put the office contact number in case if it is available. You create a user ID for the user to log in, and then you put the GST ID of the particular person. You take the 10 digits and put it as a TAN number, the address, choose the state, choose the city, and you then wait for the OTP to come. See, the OTP has come now. I'll go and I'll put 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I search the OTP, I get the OTP 399646. 399646. I verify. OTP is verified. Now it is, if you look at the documentation requirement, this is different from the dedicated reservation which we saw earlier. So there are two documents, letter of authorization and Aadhaar card voter number. So let me upload them. As told in the dedicated reservation, this has to be either in a PDF or a JPEG format. It can't be in any other format. After that, you skip this. You come to the reservation window. Here, if you see general warehouse by selected by default, commodities group is also selected by default. You choose the bag basis category of reservation, and then you choose the date of starting date of reservation from 1st December 2019 to 31st March 2020. The contact person you choose by default and press next. So here it is asking you for the number of bags. So 500 empty translates to 10,000 bags. You do that, and then if you press the information, it will tell you that you're taking the payment for 4 weeks. The unit price is 5 rupees 21 paisa, which is the FCI approved tariff from 1617 onwards, and the total cost of that. If you see here, there is no requirement for an advanced storage security deposit like what we did in the case of dedicated reservation. You now submit. Let me say for this, there is no TDS applicable, and proceed. Now, if you see here, by default, you're getting the credit facility. Parties like Food Corporation of India, government parties, state governments, central governments, public sector undertakings, and societies, they do not pay any money in advance when they're taking up the reservation. But since these are government parties, the letter of confirmation itself is treated as a confirmation, and we can go ahead and generate the bill on a credit facility basis. When I see credit facility, it means that we will generate the bill, submit the bill, and they will make us the payment subsequently. So I make a payment. Once I make a payment, it is done. Now what I do is I do a click here to download the bill. The bill which is generated is shown out here. See, you can see the bill, the food grain, the number of bags, the starting date, ending date, 1 month's bill is generated. Rate is 5 rupees 21 paisa. So all of this is generated and this can be submitted to the party. The same is also available from here, account and billing. Go to storage bill. You can see here, this was the dedicated bill which we generated earlier. This is the reservation basis bill which we have now generated. So if you click on the print button, you will get the same screen which we just saw just about 2 minutes ago. This you can take a printout by clicking the print button out here, and you can go and submit it to the party. Now, what are the checkpoints as mentioned out here? We said go to space reservation, general reserved area. So what we do is we go to space reservation, general reserved space area. If you click on that, you will be seeing this FCI general. The party type is shown as FCI. And if I click on the view button, I'll be able to see the name, the starting date, ending date. I will expand it. Then I'll see the number of bags here, and I'll be able to see the weight. For bag basis, the total number of bags and the associated weight with that also has to come. In the case of area basis, if you saw earlier, only the square meter it will show. Weight will not come on that particular thing. So this is the completion of the this we have already seen how to check the bill, whether to check whether the reservation is completely done. So this completes the process of creating a new reservation for a new depositor in an FCI mode on a bag basis.